Hello friend, today I am going to talk on Narendra Modi as a Prime Minister and his charismatic leadership. Recently we have celebrated his 17-year birthday. Everywhere, somebody means many of us want to know about his leadership, his global uh, leadership skill. But it is said that in form of true leadership, when everything get tough, get going. It comes in true sense of Modi ji as a leader as well as his qualities. There are many leaders in the world, but Prime Minister Narendra Modi ahead of them. Means apart from them, something is there in him. For his action, discipline, ideas, firm decision, communication, clear communication, vision, engaging with other, and much more are seen in his leadership. First of all, Modi ji is a strict follower of discipline in his daily routine. He knows that it is core quality of leader. Without it, he not only put impression over other but also brings desired result from other side. Therefore, he follows what he preaches. Indian masses have seen his discipline during number of time like earthquake, last year cyclone in eastern coastal areas, Pathankot, Pathankot air base attack, note ban and Pulwama attack and many more things on military bus. Now we are saying it same thing in COVID-19 too. That is why it is a must quality for the leader, that is discipline, right? Moving ahead with another integral quality of his leadership, it is a full of creative ideas which bind people at time of taking decision. That is very important. Further, the masses means Indian people automatically put faith in him. Consequently, his ideas are not only appreciated nationally but also internationally. It is seen like during this lockdown, clapping hands, blowing plates, lighting lamp, or flashlight of mobile. It is to hold or bind the people together with his decision. Another example is when he declared note ban at a time he applied creative ideas through using technology. It had worked well in his favor and directly controlled the people. Every time he keeps using ideas to convince the masses in his favor. It is seen during crisis and election time too. In true sense, he is a man of creative ideas. Further, Modi is a man of action and firm decision taker. As soon as he comes to know that action is required for the development, he takes it instantly. Recently, lockdown all over the country was seemed to be quite difficult, but he took it and made it everyone to follow his instruction. It required a lot of planning and action along with precautions. My dear friend, that is taken by him and proves that it is working well during note ban also. He had taken strict action against fraudsters, those who fraud in a bank and outside the bank. There are several anecdotes to prove his decision making policy well. Not only Indian but also foreigners admire it. Well, planning is another quality of Modi ji. It is seen that he never decide without proper planning. He keeps proper and micro planning for every decision and every action. He knows that some planning can work or not work. That is why he keeps a substitute for it. Even he keeps a diary, writes his planning whenever he gets a time, and then he elaborate it into details. Apart from these professional qualities, he has good habit of listening and asking for suggestion. Every time it is seen that he always mention in his speech and also on Man Ki Baat. For that, he share website, phone numbers, directly, indirectly, he involve the people in his mission. It is said, listen to all, but do own. He fits in it, right? Another superb quality is his communication skill, and it is very clear in his part. He always communicate well and meaningful with people. He keeps it in a short and convincing way. We have seen that he wins heart of people due to it. Importantly, he keeps writing gets its benefit in his oratory skill also. Easily makes the other coordinate with him. That is benefit. This quality is admirable everywhere. and admired by everyone. In this current situation of COVID-19, he does not only handle country but also powerful countries like America, Brazil, China, other nations. He brought all these nations on one platform and kept his communication straightforward with them. As a leader, he proved his ability to handle entire world. At last, his most accolade quality is enthusiasm. He seems to be like a young man. He displays it all the time and enables others to be enthusiastic as well as positive. It is seen in his talk, action, and decision. Every time he criticizes all over the nation due to his constant decision and working style. But he avoids such a criticism and keep focusing on task. However, he brings positivity among his critic also by his idea. Hence, he is loved all over the world. That is why country and world look up at him as a beacon of light and guide. Thank you, my dear friend. Recently, we have celebrated his birthday. So keep this speech as a for information or for your knowledge. Thank you. Wish you all the best.